Alright guys, I almost pre-prep them everything. So what I have here is bok choy, broccoli, and pre-cooked meat, onion leaves, and onion, and noodles. And also, disclaimer, I am not advertising or promoting this kind of noodles. I only choose this one because it is spicy. I am an Asian, so I like spicy, but I am not recommending this one for you guys. It's all up to you what kind of noodles do you want, but this is how I do to prep my healthy meal. So it's only 5 minutes. You're just gonna heat hot water and put all of them together in the bowl. There you go. You may want to chop those because those big chunk, it's hard to swallow. Go. It's only took 5 minutes. Once you put the hot water on it, wait at least 5 minutes. You guys can see it's almost full. I still need to put this one though. Go. So this is the sachet with so much spicy in it. Okay, since our water is already been pre-heated, just gonna fill my bowl with water. It's all up to you how much water do you want, how much veggies you want in your bowl. It's all up to you as long as you can consume it. There you go. Now just gonna put the lids and wait for at least 5 minutes. It's a big bowl. There you go, and wait at least 5 minutes and you have a big bowl of healthy meal. For the meantime, I'm just gonna clean up my mess here while I'm waiting that. Alright, so 5 minutes it's up. Let's do this. Wow, look at that, man. Check that out. So spicy. Everything in this bowl is healthy. Veggies, beef, noodles. Wow, man. Look at that. It's a big bowl. It's a big bowl, man. Oh my God, it hit in the spot, man. I'm done. I can no longer eat all of it. There's more, but that's enough for me. I don't have any space in here. Alright, you guys, once again, it's Nestor here of Canadian Life ProSolo Truckdriver. Please like, share, subscribe for more upcoming video. Bye!